everyone, this is Sam, Create the Heart, and today I'm going to be sharing 3 videos using the Kendra's Card Challenge cutting guide as well as the sketches to make 15 cards. So I'm going to do 3 videos. We're going to make 5 cards in each video. So the way that it works is that you take 6 sheets of, I guess, designer paper, pattern paper, and you cut them how she has them here. And then those 6 sheets of paper turned into 15 cards. So what I did was I laid out 15 card bases, and then it tells you like this goes to card 1, this goes to card 2. So I just, as I cut the paper, I laid it out on the appropriate place, which card it was going to go to, and then I made the cards. So once you've done your cutting, so there's 6 sheets of paper cut, then you've got your layouts. And so we're going to do card sketch 1 through 5 today. And there'll be another video for 6 through 10, and then another video for 11 through 15. So I've done all of them. And so I also used a little bit of colored cardstock and a little bit additional sheets of pattern paper because I had it. When you use double-sided paper, you can kind of get a little bit more bang for your buck because you can use either side. So there is that. I also used all of the paper that I used for this project came from Beauties, and it is the Not Too Shabby Shop paper pad subscription of the month paper. It's this one as well as Glow. But for all 15 cards, I use Beauties. So I also use the occasional stamp sets from Not Too Shabby Shop. So when those pop up, I'll go ahead and show you. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to go ahead and have my sketch to make sure I'm following along. We're going to do this sketch right here. So this is actually not in like order. It's actually backwards because that's how I did it. So let's go ahead and find card number 1. Let's go ahead and get them all situated. And so we have this one right here. Okay, so let's go ahead and have at it. I'm actually missing a piece right here. Let me grab it. I see it. Okay, so I was like, what happened? Okay, so we're going to go ahead and we're going to do this one right here for card number 1. So let's go ahead and get started. So I just did a little bit of cardstock for this. So I'm going to go ahead and, so I have like, I can decide which side of paper I wanted. And I've never done any of her sketches, so I just kind of wanted to see what it was all about. And I thought we could do a little chit chat. And so let's go ahead and go ahead and put this together while we do it. There we go. And get this going. So I really had a lot of fun with the sketches because I was trying to find a way to be, creative. How to be, creative with a sketch. Because I think that can be hard because sometimes the sketch can be quite simple. And, I don't want my cards to be like super simple, I guess I should say. I think it's going to be like a little bit more like that. And then we're going to do this one. So I also used a little bit of gold cardstock. And when I bring in other stuff, I'll let you guys know that I brought in some other stuff. Make sure it's not sticking out a little bit. Trim that. Okay, so I've got that. Now it's like trying to decide what I'm going to do. I think this goes to this card right here. So let's see. We have this one, and we have like this. I think what I'm going to do, I think what it had in the sketch is it had some embellishments but instead I'm replacing the embellishments, and I'm going to put my sentiments, and then where it sort of had kind of a sentiment place, I'm putting my image. And so this image is from this stamp set. No, I must not have pulled the right one. This one is, I forget which one this one is. I think it's Cozy something. So I have another, I didn't pull that one. But yeah, so there's that first card. So now we're on to card number 2. So card number 2, I believe is, I want to say it's this one. I think it's this one. Well, you know, I think. We will see. I think it's this one. So I pulled a little bit of, may not be this one. It's hard to tell. They all kind of, sometimes they look a little bit alike. Actually, this is not card number 2. I think this is, maybe it is card number 2. I don't know. We'll just go by ear. So I think we're going to do, oh, you know what? This is card number 5. Looks like this. And this is card number 5. I'll put them in order when we're done. Okay, so this one, it's, I'm going to actually put it like this. And then I've got these. These are cut from the paper. So the paper has a page of these images that you can cut out and use for your projects. So I like having that. I also showed in my other videos like how you can use this with other things you have in your stash. So let's just put that there, and then we've got this right here, and I put that right here. That's my sentiment. So I think this, I want to say this is card number 5. So I'm going to kind of put them in order. We're going to do this one. This one might be, I don't know what this one is. Yes, we'll find out. I think this one is card number 3. So I'm going to go like this. I think this is card number 3. Or card number 2. Let's see. Oh, I think it's card number 2. And this one I'm going to do like this. So I did it a little bit different. I kind of used sort of different images. Like this one had like a pennant type image, and I decided to go with a circle because that was just easier for me, and I just liked the way it looked better. And we do this. All right, and that one is card number 2. Okay, so card number 3 is this one. Next time I'll have them in better order, but I've had them on the floor of my craft room for, you know, a week, so they kind of was hard to keep track of. Okay, so, and this one's going to go all the way across. And so, I'm going to do like this. So So this is also from Not Too Shabby Shop, this image right here, which I will show you in a second. And then this one I put on foam. Oops. So this is number 3. So I will show you how they all match up at the end, and you can see like how I did, if I made them a little bit more unique or gave them a little extra something something, because I just kind of do something too basic. So here's that. And then we have this little flag, which I am going to put right here. Okay, so here's card number 3. 1, 2, 3. And then that card uses the image from here, which is called Dear Friends. So, okay. And then here's this one's card number 4. And so this purple paper, I've had it in my stash forever. I don't even know where I got it. Maybe Tuesday morning? I don't know. I haven't been to Tuesday morning in forever. I'm trying to stay away from that place. And that. And it is really fun to find ways to use this paper in creative ways. So I've used all the sides. You can see in all the cards. Everything kind of flows pretty well. And we'll do this. And then we've got this one right here, which is going to go across. And that goes across like that. So then we've got this piece, which is going to go right here. And that's going to be in gold. And then here we have this image right here. I think this is the Cuddle Weather image. And then we use the sentiment for a dear friend. And okay. And this is card number 4. Okay. All right. Let me show you how I did with the sketches. So here is card number 1, and here is my version of card number 1. And here is my version of card number 2. And card number 3, which is this one right here. And card number 4. And last, card number 5, which is this one right here. So thank you so much for watching. If you're interested in this, I believe it's called Kendra's Card Challenge, I think. So, and you can try to join the challenge. It goes for 3 months, so you have time, but 15 cards is a lot. Stay tuned for video number 2.